Welcome to Andro Indian. Today we explore the Project Governance Performance domain in the PMBOK 7th edition. Effective governance is the system that guides decisions, priorities, and actions to ensure project success. It is the framework that turns strategy into results. Effective governance is the system that guides decisions, priorities, and actions to ensure project success. It is the framework that turns strategy into results. Even the most talented teams struggle without a clear decision-making framework. Without governance, projects often drift, lose focus, and fail to deliver expected value. In the PMBOK 7th edition, governance has evolved into a dynamic and integrated oversight function within the value delivery system. It is built upon 12 core principles such as stewardship and focus on value, which serve as the professional compass for every project activity. These principles guide the 8 project performance domains, creating a consistent, predictable, and controllable environment essential for effective delivery. At its heart is the value delivery system, which views projects not as isolated silos but as critical components of a strategy to value chain. Governance acts as the connective tissue, ensuring that portfolios, programs, and projects remain perfectly aligned with strategic business objectives. It establishes clear decision-making authority, mapping who can approve budget or scope changes based on the organization's risk appetite. Crucially, governance must be tailored. It must adapt to the project's complexity and development approach, whether predictive, adaptive, or hybrid. Crucially, governance must be tailored. It must adapt to the project's complexity and development approach, whether predictive, adaptive, or hybrid. Governance uses models like the Stacey matrix to navigate technical or requirement uncertainty, applying the right level of oversight for the situation. To be effective, every governance framework must rest upon 3 foundational pillars: structure, people, and information. The first pillar is structure, encompassing the formal frameworks, functions, and processes that provide oversight throughout the project lifecycle. The second pillar is people, ensuring that individuals with the right expertise and accountability are empowered to make critical project decisions. The final pillar is information. Governance relies on transparency and accurate reporting to provide the data-driven insights needed for effective control. A common structural framework is the phase gate model, where projects must pass through critical review points to receive continued authorization. The steering committee provides high-level strategic oversight and resource prioritization, acting as the vital bridge to executive leadership. The project sponsor is a central figure, remaining uniquely accountable for the ultimate realization of the project's intended business value. The Project Management Office, or PMO, plays a critical role by standardizing these governance practices and providing support across the organization. An essential function is audit and assurance, providing an independent check to verify that processes are followed and the project remains viable. It also maintains vital linkages, ensuring that the project can adapt and stay relevant even when business goals or market conditions change. In the stakeholder domain, governance defines the engagement protocols, clarifying who has a decisive vote versus those who provide a voice. For the team domain, it establishes the charter, clearly defining roles, responsibilities, and the escalation paths for resolving critical issues. And in measurement, governance ensures that all metrics, like earned value, are reported transparently and reflect the true status of project health. Ultimately, governance adds value by reducing execution risk, enhancing transparency, and enabling leaders to make faster, more confident decisions. It provides the stable but flexible framework that allows project managers to excel. Mastering governance is mastering the art of delivery. Visit androindian.com to master the domains of professional excellence. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more project management insights. Catch you in the next one. Stay curious, empowering leadership through project excellence.